Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Are you ready to dive into the world of AI? Google is here to help. We're offering 10 free online AI courses that will equip you with the foundational knowledge and practical skills you need to navigate the exciting world of AI. In this series, we'll unravel the mysteries of AI together, from its fundamental principles to its transformative applications. Imagine a world where computers can compose music, paint masterpieces, and even write poetry. This isn't science fiction. This is the incredible reality of generative AI. Google, at the forefront of this revolution, provides cutting-edge tools for app development, allowing you to harness the power of generative AI. In the upcoming chapters, we'll delve deeper into its intricacies, understand its underlying mechanisms, and witness its transformative potential across various domains. If you've ever interacted with a chatbot or used a language translation service, you've encountered the power of large language models, or LLMs. Google's contributions to the field of LLMs are nothing short of groundbreaking. With great power comes great responsibility. As we build ever more sophisticated AI systems, it's crucial to ensure they're developed and deployed responsibly, ethically, and for the benefit of all. Google recognizes this responsibility, championing the principles of responsible AI. By understanding these challenges, we can work towards creating AI that aligns with our values and benefits humanity as a whole. Now that we've dipped our toes into the vast ocean of generative AI, it's time to dive deeper and equip ourselves with the fundamental knowledge to navigate its depths. Through their comprehensive courses, you'll embark on a journey through the intricacies of generative AI, from understanding its building blocks to exploring its diverse applications. Imagine a computer program that can conjure up stunning visuals, from breathtaking landscapes to photorealistic portraits. Google's Vertex AI provides a powerful platform for training and deploying these models, enabling you to turn your creative visions into reality. In the realm of AI, where machines strive to comprehend and communicate like humans, the encoder-decoder architecture stands as a testament to our ingenuity. TensorFlow, Google's open-source machine learning library, provides the tools and flexibility to build and experiment with encoder-decoder models. In the bustling world of information overload, our brains have an uncanny ability to focus on what's important, filtering out distractions and honing in on crucial details. Enter the attention mechanism, a breakthrough in AI that allows models to selectively attend to specific parts of input data, just like our brains do. In the ever-evolving landscape of AI, where innovation knows no bounds, transformer models have emerged as a force to be reckoned with. Together, we'll delve into the fascinating world of transformer models and BERT, exploring their architecture, understanding their strengths, and witnessing their transformative impact on the field of natural language processing. Imagine an AI system that can not only see an image, but also describe it eloquently, in words capturing its essence and conveying its meaning. From data preparation to model training and evaluation, you'll gain hands-on experience in building an image captioning model, empowering you to unlock the creative potential of AI in combining images and words. Welcome to the Generative AI Studio, your creative playground for exploring the limitless possibilities of AI. From generating realistic images and composing captivating music to crafting human-like text and building intelligent chatbots, the Generative AI Studio unlocks a world of possibilities, empowering you to harness the transformative power of AI for creativity and innovation. Congratulations! You've just completed a crash course in the exciting world of AI, exploring the latest advancements, ethical considerations, and practical applications. The knowledge you've gained is your passport to this exciting frontier, empowering you to create, innovate, and make a real-world impact. Check out the links in the description to enroll in these courses and start your AI journey today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting tech content.